Alright, I'm using a Dremel tool with a little cutting knife coming at an angle and just notching out this little piece of plastic here on the support bracket. I really don't think this is gonna have too much of an impact. The light bars, the rear end of the Diode Dynamics light bar is just gonna sit in that little slot. Let's see how skinny that thing is. So, let's see. So these brackets aren't perfect. I'm just slowly tightening up the hardware in one section at a time. The bracket's gonna bend a little bit, but I think if I get the height set right, it should work. I just notched this out with the Dremel and it seems to be fitting pretty well. It gives me the adjustment I need. The biggest question I'm having is if the grill is gonna clear, but if not, I might have to notch out part of the grill to make this work, but I think we'll get it in there. All right, I got it in there. The bracket conformed nicely, actually. Like, this is not moving. I'm confident that will hold up off-roading and not misalign, because once you put the grill on, it'd be a pain in the ass. But yeah, pretty happy with that placement. Now we'll see what the grill fits. Okay, so I've got the grill in place. It makes contact on the edges. Not bad. I think the trimming is gonna have to be on the outside edges there. You can kind of see where it has clearance. Touching. Just touching on the outside edges. All right, run through all the lighting. So this is stock headlights, brights. Here is the C1 fog lights in yellow. Here's the SSC2 spots in yellow. The Pro output, SSC2 driving. And these are SS3 Pro. And this is the light bar.